AI is not new, it's been out there for quite some time, but the adoption of AI is accelerating, right? And we actually did research, or we did a survey with manufacturers across the globe, and what we found is like a lot of them are still using AI in pockets for point solutions, but not a lot of them have successfully scaled it. And in fact, our survey revealed that only 15% reported that they are using AI at scale. But what we are seeing is even that 15% have really started accelerating this to scale in the recent past. And that is a big revelation for us. That's also a sign of what is coming down the line.
It's not new, but yet how it's being used and the connectivity between the pockets of these technologies is accelerating.